Welcome back to part 3 of my junk jewelry haul. I've picked out some more pieces and I'm excited to share them. I actually found a actual pair of earrings. It doesn't always happen, but I did. I will not be wearing these. I'll probably just take the ear wires off and they will go in my dangles pile and I will use them as dangles. Then I found this cool piece. It has this pearly, mother of pearl kind of thing. It is missing one, but I'm hoping that we'll find it in the jewelry jar at some point. I can use those as dangles. This is so ornate. I mean, someone did all of that beadwork, but it is a full, beautifully handmade necklace. I'm going to be putting it in the keep or wearable pile. Then there's this really nice blue stretch bracelet. I just want to harvest it for the beads. So we're going to do our thing here, which accidentally shook the camera. So we're going to cut it and then we'll put the beads into our little container. And now they're usable. Very, very exciting. Next thing I have is just this simple little dangle. I know this doesn't seem like a lot, but I will put that in the dangle pile and I'll use it. This necklace, totally wearable, but I'm going to like it for its findings more. The findings are wearable, so the lobster clasp, the extender chain, the black faux leather necklace part. So we're going to take it apart. And then I organize everything by, I have a, maybe I'll show you my organization or lack thereof organization. But I'll show you my system for how I organize my findings and things like that. So now we just take the actual necklace part off. So now I have this chain, this necklace. I can use that, and I will probably reuse it. And then we'll put that in the dangles pile, and we'll keep that jump ring. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you next time.